Club Pan India gives me a huge honor to welcome each and every one of you at our own City of Dreams, Mumbai. और जब मुंबई की बात आती है, हम truly देखते हैं उस जगह के लिए जहां हम families के साथ celebrate कर सकें. And the only place that comes to our mind and the only brand ruling from 4 decades is Country Club Pan India. तो स्वागत है आप सबका आज Country Club. And it is always about the trailblazer, about the change maker who had faith in himself, जो देना चाहते थे उन families को ये मौका, ये पल to truly swing together and come together. Welcome to Country Club Mumbai Andheri, and let's cheer as we welcome the very handsome, the dynamic, ladies and gentlemen, known as the King of Clubs, Sir, we welcome you at our Mumbai city, and please accept this lovely bouquet from all of us here.
मोबाइल नीचे हो काजी भाई सर सामने देखिए सेंटर में
Off the mobile app, when on the tip of our fingers, we truly look forward to getting ourselves booked and hooked, and the wondrous stay at all over Country Club Pan India. हम सब जी रहे हैं in the world of artificial intelligence and nurture family values होती है जहाँ हम Country Club में सारे families को साथ लाते हैं और इस तरह हर एक celebration, हर festival का होता है where we give that opportunity कि बच्चों से लेकर grandmom तक, parents तक, everyone comes together and celebrates. लेकिन साथ ही साथ सर, Country Club has always been numero uno in the world of technology and in the latest advancements. So मैं बहुत elated हूँ. After experiencing Hyderabad जो 4 दिन पहले थी, I am completely on a high altogether. I would like to welcome all of you Pan India सारे Country Club में, because now we have the app. अपने मोबाइल पे एक क्लिक बटन पे you can really enjoy Country Club Pan India. Besides, we look forward to the future of tomorrow, that is towards 1 million. Well, it's gonna be in the next few years for sure. Just race से और speed से Country Club ग्रो हो रहा है and members जो प्यार दिखा रहे हैं, so we are blessed with showers of love. So today, friends from the media, we have 3 grand videos to be unveiled. और जो second video है, that is the journey of Country Club. जो third video है, is your favorite cricketer on that, and what is the association? वो सर खुद बताएंगे. And what is the first video all about? It's surprises regards the trailblazer. So सर ने पहले सोचा था, why don't we ask someone to go and skydive? And then जिनसे इन्होंने बात की, they said, it might be a little difficult for me. So sir did skydiving on his own, and all he would do is Country Club rocks. So ये जो sign है, signature है for years together. जहाँ न्यूयॉर्क जाओ, लंदन जाओ, everyone talks about. Oh, you mean to say राजीव की बात कर रहे हो आप, जो ऐसे करते हैं हमेशा? Yes, that's his symbol. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the living legend, king of clubs, Country Club, respected managing director and chairman Samak, Mr. Rajiv Reddy. Thank you. Will you please now have the first video?
Just give you a macro picture of what we are going to do in the next 5 years. Right now we are 4.5 lakh members across the country and the world. We are trying to make a 1 million member mark. मतलब 4.5 lakhs से लेकर 10 lakhs. This is our macro plan, and the response what we are getting from different parts of the country is phenomenal. We are also getting a lot of response from outside the country, Asian countries, and we are sure that in the due course, I think we tying up with banks and financial institutions and embracing technology. Like Simran was just mentioning to you about our app. It is a Country Club app wherein all the members can download and they can book their own holidays. It is so simple, so transparent and so member friendly. This app, more than 1 lakh people have already used it, and it is very, very user friendly. And I think technology is the most important aspect. And digital era, I'm sure, I think the entire game has changed. Now we are going towards artificial intelligence. I am not a very big IT guy, but then I can predict one thing: more than 95% of the people who are employed in IT industries, I am sure, I think it will be a lot of challenges to face. Other day I was talking to bankers. They were really shocked. How can you develop a beautiful app? In fact, I'm not naming the name of the bank, but they said, our Country Club app is much more usable, more powerful, very homely, and it will be a part of people's lives actually. So maybe in the next coming 5 years, because we are now adapting to change, the new era of Country Club has begun. This is the Country Club app. This is Country Club.
That's Country Club Hyderabad, just for your information.
Book your holidays real time with instant confirmation. जब का जब अपन बैठ के गाड़ी में बैठ के very part of the world में है तभी all you have to do is to have that app and press it, and you will get all the opportunities, shows, everything. You can book your own rooms wherever you want. Everything is available in the app. So we are now making a major shift to encourage people to get into the app, because a lot of new properties have come. More than 30 properties since last time I had a press conference, and more than I think close to 15 fitness centers in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Pune, and Bombay. Now we are getting into that phase.
So it says never miss any events in your city, because every event is celebrated at Country Club Pan India. और सारे events A to Z, कितने सारे celebration है हमारे भारत देश में. Yes sir.
Yes, we are not a 5-star club and all that. We are basically seeing our member profile and all that. They are nice people, very, very young and very enthusiastic, and I am sure Country Club is a great platform for them to get together. We try to encourage more or less all the entire families. So this app needs to be also promoted because we have received more than 1 lakh people who use this app, and no other company, or especially a hospitality industry, has done this. We are the first person to do it and do it very successfully. The fact that we are adapting towards change is very important. And yes.
So besides the celebration, we also have the biggest weddings. We just had the celeb wedding going on 3 days back, and we also have brilliant pageants taking place. So MWI International, the pageant from USA, they had their get together here and they thoroughly loved the food. They were all foreigners, Firangs, and they said we have to come across. So we had the beautiful buffet by the poolside. So it's not just the Indians, but even the foreigners love to come to a club place like this, where they feel homely and they get the essence of being a Mumbaiker.
So sweet. Yeah, you are so right. And ultimately, the service standards of the country club are increased dramatically, and all our major projects, whether it is Bandipur Wildlife or whether it is Kodaikanal or whether it is Kovalam and some other franchise properties in the north and all that, are very well received by the members, and it is a win-win-win situation. We are collaborating with the different banks. Since the company has become debt-free,
Zero debt free! This year we are announcing Country Club as zero debt free.
Now the new era, we want to take advantage of franchise route. A lot of people have expressed their interest in becoming franchise of the country club. Because my thinking is very clear. Either you lead, follow or get out of the way. And not trying to boast, but I think we are the biggest in this industry. Usira SRH lakh members and 10 lakh members. We are planning that 1 million members in the next 5 years. All the bankers are showing also a lot of interest, and I am sure this also will become a reality, and with consistent persistence and member friendly. If at all we have grown today, it's only because of members. They share their experiences online, and then they are the real brand ambassadors. We are there as chairman plus managing director plus brand ambassador. Yes, what I did in Dubai, I also did in scuba diving in Maldives. I did white river rafting in Sri Lanka. So basically, it is all adventure driven. I want to tell you that why Country Club supports sportsmen. There are a lot of right from 1983, Kapil Dev has been the World Cup. We did celebrate in Bombay only. उनके लिए क्लास के लिए ग्लेस बॉल का मोटर बनाए. He roamed around the club and little part of Bombay. That's how we entered into Bombay in a very big manner. Very big manner. Yep.
We spoke of cricketer Kapil Dev Sahab, and in the third audio visual, you're going to get the surprise of the present cricketer. But ladies and gentlemen, before we go ahead and take a look at our next video, the beauteous journey of Country Club, let me tell you, it's not just the cricketers, but also the superstars, right from Salman Khan sir to Shah Rukh Khan sir, which you'll get to witness in the videos, to Sania Mirza, to everyone in the world of sports, to our distinguished dignitaries and our ambassadors. They all have been to Country Club and are madly and lovingly in love with this place. But sir said, whatever Country Club is because of the members, but I'm going to really tell you all, yes, it's because of members' love, but it is because of the vision of yours, respected sir. Rajiv Reddy sir, we are proud of you. Thank you. Can we please start second video? Yeah, this is also a tribute to Zareen Khan ma'am, our very own Bollywood fraternity, who was very close to Rajiv sir. And आप सबको बता दूं कि यहाँ के जो interiors हैं are done by Zareen Khan ma'am. एक छोटा सा interview भी है. And Zareen used to always say, I feel Country Club is mine because Country Club gave her this wondrous platform of the interiors with Rajiv Reddy. They were heart and soul close to Country Club. Let's take a look. This is a tribute for Zareen Khan ji.
सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, डेब्ट फ्री हो गया है हमारा कंपनी जो कंट्री क्लब है. और सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस साल का जो न्यू ईयर है कितना खास कितना स्पेशल होने वाला है? और
न्यू ईयर में व्हाट माय एडवाइस टू एवरीबॉडी, ऑल माय कोलीग्स इंक्लूडिंग माय सन्स आल्सो, and for this thing, you think Country Club, you eat Country Club, you sleep Country Club. I started this 35 years back. The best of my life has gone into the making of the brand. And it is very important to know that how is the consumer reaction. We are where we are because of the MGM people who have used the clubs, they have shared their experiences. That is only the major reason why we are here, and it has grown exponentially. And I'm sure, I think, going forward, as I was telling you, we are right now at 4.5 lakh members. We will, our plan is to reach about 1 million members, that is about 10 lakhs, in maximum period of 5 years. And although we were associated with almost 13 to 14 banks initially, and now it's become zero debt, we have closed all the accounts. And so this year we come back with a great energy, new energy, and we would like to address the new generation also. A lot of things have changed in the past few years, and today technology is the key, digital marketing is the key. And we have embraced technology before anybody could even think. I was surprised when the senior banker yesterday told me that even this kind of a mix is not there with them. And with your one phone call away, you can book your holiday, you can book your health and fitness center or your favorite club and all that. So you understand how technology is playing a major role in digitalization. And I'm sure, I think, once we tie up with everybody, and it's going to be a sure shot winner. So I'm looking forward for this 1 million members.
All the very best, and hope we'll do it soon.
सिमरन, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो लॉन्ग एसोसिएशन कंट्री क्लब राजीव सर के साथ में रहा है उसके बारे में कुछ बताएं, और इस साल का जो न्यू ईयर है कितना खास है?
बेहद खास है क्योंकि मैं हर साल कंट्री क्लब में रही हूँ 2016 से। इन इंडिया एंड यूएई एशिया का सच में सबसे बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन होता है, राइट फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड स्टार्स टू आर सुपर मॉडल्स टू आर स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनालिटीज टू आर मिनिस्ट्री से जो हमारे डिस्टिंग्विश्ड डिग्निटरीज आते हैं। बेहद खास रहता है। आई बीन कम्प्लीटली इलेटेड क्योंकि मुझे इतने फ़ोन कॉल्स आते हैं स्पेशली फॉर न्यू ईयर ईव कि सिमरन प्लीज़ हमें इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना, वी वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ कंट्री क्लब। एक और बात आप सबको बताना चाहूँगी, जैसे कि हम देखते हैं कि सारे के सारे सुपरस्टार्स हैव बीन एसोसिएटेड विद कंट्री क्लब। दिस इज़ अ गुड लक। सो कंट्री क्लब से जो भी एसोसिएट हो जाता है, I think the future is so bright. So I'm completely overwhelmed because I like to mention this. So 2016, I started my journey with Country Club, Pan India and UAE. My first event was Navratri event where I was invited, you unveil my book, and then the New Year Bash. And that time, New Year Bash in India and in UAE, we had all our Bollywood stars. We had 6 Bollywood stars, including 2 comedians who were there all across India and UAE. So all the Bollywood stars have performed here. So what I mean to say, and after that 2017, I was very fortunate to having been offered Filmfare, and 2019 IFA. So I've been actually a part of all the biggest events only after Country Club. So I'm very, very excited and thrilled, and I'd like to thank you, sir, and heartfelt gratitude. Humble thanks to you, sir. Thank you so much.
ऑल्सो डीजे से जानना चाहूँगा कि सर की तरफ से क्या ब्रीफ है और आप लोग क्या क्या तैयारी है आप लोगों की इस साल का न्यू ईयर जो कंट्री क्लब में है कितना ग्रैंड होने वाला है?
तो सबसे पहले मैं थैंकफुल हूँ सर की, क्योंकि ऐसा समझो कि कंट्री क्लब ही मुझे लॉन्च कर रहा है यहाँ पर, ठीक है। और दूसरी बात है कि मैं 6 साल पहले आई थी कंट्री क्लब में मेंबरशिप के लिए, सो नहीं हो पाया था, बट मैं हमेशा से सोच रही थी कि नहीं मुझे करना ही करना है, अंदर कंट्री क्लब का मेंबर बनना ही बनना है। फाइनली मैं बन गई हूँ मेंबर। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
वेलकम वेलकम टू कंट्री क्लब।
और बहुत धमाकेदार होने वाला है। प्लीज़ आप ऑल गाइस join 31st night country club with country club family. Thank you so much.
DJ Django is here with us.
So first of all, thank you so much, sir, for the opportunity you have given us. It's mean a lot to us. Like she said, after joining the country club, everything changes. So definitely for us also, it will change a lot, and we are doing our best. We are like working hardcore on the tracks. We are downloading it. We are working like continuously non-stop day and night. And definitely 31st, it's a very big night for us. And it's gonna be a killing night. So definitely everyone join Country Club family, and one love to Country Club.
Rajesh sir, tell us about your association with Virat Kohli's restaurant in Pune. If you can share.
Well, that is situated in the heart of the city, Country Club Goregaon Park. उसमें we have roped in Commune 8, that is Virat Kohli's brand. and it is really rocking Pune. In fact, we are also thinking of upgrading a lot of other properties to meet that standard, and it is nothing but branding and creating new propositions for the next generation.
And sir, your thought process about the DJ wars, if you can share something about your idea of DJ.
No, this is an amazing thing because it's going to give a lot of competition. Now they have to compete with people in Hyderabad, they have to compete with people in Delhi, they have to compete with people in Calcutta. So it is some excitement we are creating for the benefit of the members and for the artists themselves.
Rajiv sir, how the app is helping to get more and more customers and all?
Phone khole ke, just phone khol ke, if you go to the Country Club app, you will get the entire picture of Country Club.
All the country club, different country clubs pan India.
Yeah, so you can, on the phone only, you can book your holidays. And that is the reason we have made it very customer friendly. And believe it or not, the banker was telling me yesterday that this facility even those banks don't have. That facility we have incorporated and put it in the package in the cell phone. So members, wherever they are in any part of the world, they can download that app and then choose their holidays or events wherever they are.
You also said in the speech that you double your vacations, you are to come up with many other places also. Tell us about that thought process.
Well, right now we are very strong in the south, but we are now going to concentrate in the western markets, northern markets, eastern markets. In fact, I had just been to Sikkim where we have finalized a franchise property. Kitna beautiful hai here. I only feel sad when, small places like in the European countries or Bangkok, Thailand, what we are having in our own country, we are not able to appreciate. Definitely, we are going to set up our flag even in Kashmir also. We are looking out for good properties. I was there on October 2nd to celebrate my birthday, and I got so much of beauty, so much of natural resources. I'm sure, I think there is a proper solution. Definitely, we are going to enter Kashmir also. Northeast, we have got a lot of response, and by the time we meet here next time, I'm sure, I think we will be doubling or tripling our properties.
You also gave tribute to Zareen Khan, late Zareen Khan. Tell us about that.
Yeah, Zareen Khan is a good friend of mine. Was a good friend of mine. It was a shock for me when I heard that in the early morning news. And she was the one actually who collaborated with us to restore the original palace of the Prime Minister of Hyderabad back in the day. And she did not only the country club, but also not only restored it to the palace of the Prime Minister of Hyderabad into a country club. She also did a lot of work for Amrita Castle and also Country Club Bombay. So it's a big loss for the country club, a huge salute to her. And yes, I think that's something.
35 years you've given to your baby country club, and in fact, like you're planning for $1 million in few years. So how hard also challenging it's going to be?
It is definitely going to be a challenge, but I'm just telling you simple arithmetics. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 that is there, no? That is only an addition. But if you want to multiply, it is 2 into something else, something else, something else. I am trying to get, there are roughly about more than 2 crores only credit cards in the market. We are only trying to attract the bankers to get into a strategy mode where we can rope in a lot more members from not only India but outside the country also.
Okay, wish you all the way, sir.
Thank you so much.